Good morning, children. Welcome back to your science class. Grade 4. Today we are doing the revision on the topic having fun with wind instruments. So, the learner book, page number 68. Woodwind instruments. Children, what is woodwind instruments? A musical instrument that you play by blowing. An instrument, it will make a music. Okay, an instrument will make a music when you are blowing it. So that instrument we can call a woodwind instrument. So you can see in this picture the examples. What are the examples? Trumpet. This is the trumpet. Here you can see panpipes. This is the panpipes. What is this? This is the recorder. So how we can make a sound with this woodwind instruments? How we can make? We can make by blowing down or blowing across the top of the hollow pipes. That means these pipes are hollow. So when you are blowing across the top of the hollow pipes, you can make music. Okay, so this instrument we can call a woodwind instrument. This we can play by blowing down. Okay, so this instrument we can call together woodwind instruments. Look at this picture here. Woodwind family, that means different type of woodwind instruments we can see in this picture. Saxophone, flute, many we can see. So these all instruments are coming under the family woodwind. So now we are discussing the pitch of a woodwind instrument. Here, the longer the column of air is, the lower the pitch of the sound. The shorter the column of air is, the higher the pitch of the sound. It will be based on the column of air. If it is short, we will get a high pitched sound. If the column of air long, we will get a low pitched sound. Okay, children, what you can see in this picture? One boy, he is playing a woodwind instrument. Okay, tell me, what is the name of this woodwind instrument? Yeah, the name is flute. So he is playing a flute. You can see here many holes. Here you can see many holes. These are the holes. Okay, so this boy covering the holes with his finger. So he can change the pitch. He can change the pitch of the sound with the help of this. He is covering the holes with his finger. Children, if he want a high pitch, he has to close only a few holes. 1-2 holes. If he covering, what will happen? A short air column. So he will get a high pitch sound. But what is happening in this picture? Here he is covering almost all the holes. See, he is covering all the holes. He is covering with his finger. So the air column will be long air column, long one. So the pitch of the sound will be low pitch. Okay, here in this picture we can see he will get a low pitch sound because he is covering almost all the holes he is covering. Only 2 holes he is not covering. So here we can get a low pitch sound. Okay children, look at this question. How can you change the pitch of the note with the instrument given below? You can answer it. How can we change the pitch of the note with this instrument? How we can change? I told you, if you want to change the pitch, we have to cover a fewer holes. We have to close fewer holes. When you are blowing, that time what we have to do, we can cover fewer holes to make different pitch. Only fewer holes you are covering, you will get a high pitch. If you are covering most of the holes, what will happen? You will get a low pitch sound. So this is about the pitch change in woodwind instruments. Okay children, thank you.